how to add custom fields to products on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take any product that you have on Shopify and how you can include customized fields, details about that specific product. So for example, in my particular Shopify store, I have a bunch of different makeup products. However, for maybe my lip product, I want to mention what type of finish they have, if they have a velvety finish or a matte finish. But that might not apply to my eyeshadows. So how can I display specific product information and have specific customized fields for product info without having it be added to every page? Because if you make any changes to a product page, for example, if I go into my online store, and if I go on ahead, open up my store and click on customize here, and we add any product info. So I'll open up a default product, and let's say I go ahead and add a section over here. So if I click on add section and I add, some text over here. So what this will do is that this will add this particular block to all of the products. However, this information might only be valid for this product. So that is why we want to add customized fields to add customized information about every product. So I'll show you guys step by step on how to do that. Firstly, there are two ways you can do this. First off is Metafields, and second is product page templates. Product page templates are something that I wouldn't recommend in this particular use case, because if you build a separate template, it's really not going to be as convenient as to just add Metafields. But if you do want to learn how to build a separate product page template, I do have a couple of tutorials on that as well. Now, to get started, you can simply open up any product. Currently, it has become a whole lot easier to add these custom fields. In the past, you had to go into settings on the left, and then you had to click on custom data, and then you could go into products and you can add specific product definitions or product fields. However, now you can simply open up the product. For example, I have this liquid lipstick. Then if I scroll down, if you go under variants over here, you have category metafields. So over here, you can see your product metafields as well as category metafields. You can go on ahead and proceed with adding more metafields. So for example, for the texture of this is maybe silky, and this is going to be silky and creamy. Then below that, we can add product certifications as well. As you guys can see, we have all of these particular category metafields, and we can click on save over here. Now, if you want to display these options, you can click on variants on the top right, and you can click on create customized option. Then we can add, let's say, our finish, and the finish for this is going to be creamy. And then I can just click on done. You don't have to create more than one variant. You can just create a singular variant and display that. So this is our customized field. Now, if you're offering a product with two different types of finishes or two different variations, instead of just in the past where you could only offer size or color or material based variations, you can click on add variant in Shopify over here, and you can create your own customized variations. For example, I created a variation for the finish. Then let's say I want to offer luxury packaging and standardized packaging. So all I have to do for that is I can click on add another option, create custom option, and I can click on packaging over here, and I have luxury, and then I have standard. And then I will write environmentally friendly like this. And then I can click on done, and the customer can choose their variation. You can also further set different prices. So if you open up the variations within your custom fields, you can go on ahead and set a higher price for maybe a specific variation. Click on save on the top right, and your customizations will be completed. Now, there is one thing to note is that I added customized fields to this particular product. If I go ahead and open up maybe my super matte liquid lipstick, it's not going to have those variations. It's going to look standardized. So this allows you to add custom variations to custom products, because obviously maybe things like the finish don't apply to eyeshadows or to this particular product. And you want to be able to add a customized field to every product. Now, if you want to do this in bulk, obviously opening up each individual product might not be very convenient for you. So if you want to do this in bulk, you can click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings on the bottom left, scroll down and click on custom data. Once you click on custom data, you can open up any particular object or any particular product, and you can add different definitions. So for customized fields, let's say for all of my products, I have a customized field where I ask for maybe, let's say we offer, let's say luxury packaging, and then I can simply add that over here and I can add a description and then add the types. So for the types, this is going to have a storefront read access. And once I do that, we can click on select type, and this is going to be a specific type. So for our packaging, it is going to be a product variant, and this is going to be a list of variants. And then from here, you can choose the type of variations you want to create. You can do this for collections, customers, products, as well as text. So for us, I want to add this to a product variation. So I'm going to scroll down, click on product variant, click on save. And now packaging is going to be assigned to all of the products as a product variant. Now, once this has been created over here, if I open up any particular product in my Shopify store, you will see over here that I have some data about the variations, and then below that, you will have product Metafields. In that, I can go on ahead, select variants, and I can select different variants that can be selected from here. Now, within this, you definitely can build a lot of customizations. So you guys can see that you have a lot of options now. In the past, Shopify did not have these types of Metafield customizations or variant customizations. But now you can add your own customized field and define any type of element of your product, whether it is cosmetic finishes, materials, packaging, textures. Everything can easily be defined with their category meta fields, and you can easily link data over here as well. One other thing to note is that it's not necessary to display all of these. These are not going to be displayed, your category meta fields. And if you do want to display those, you can go on to the top and add another option, and you can connect your meta field. So meta fields just help you in categorizing your products on your own store. And then if you want to display that particular definition to your customers, you're going to click on add another option in the variants. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.